Hey there, YouTube. Well, I got another machine here, so I figured I'd show it to you. Today we got a Hoover spinscrub 50. This carpet cleaner I got a couple days ago from the trash, and there's nothing really wrong with it, other than being dirty, but typical for carpet cleaners. It's in really good shape. No cracks in the tank or nothing that are noticeable. What's rare about this, it has the nozzle cleanout tool, which is hard to find, or doesn't come with these when I find them from the trash for some odd reason. I'm missing the scrubber tool, which is no big deal, get that off of eBay. Bare roller tool is missing, typical. Get the small little hand tool right here. And it is model F5915905. And the serial number is H13J02519959. Yep. It's got the power or clean surge or power surge, however you want to say it. What I like about this is it's heated cleaning, and it's actually one of the good Hoover shampoos with the spinning brushes on it. So without further ado, I'll give you a demonstration here. Well, YouTube, that's all for now. I'll talk to y'all later.